Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to color Halloween objects. Let's start. Colors. Color the pots the correct color. Green. 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 Let's color the pot in green color. Green color. Green color. Purple. Purple color. Let's color the pot in purple color. Purple color. Orange. Orange color. Let's color the pot in orange color. Orange color. Blue. Blue color. Let's color the pot in blue color. Blue color. Pink. Pink color. Let's color the pot in pink color. Pink color. Pink. Yellow color. Let's color the pot in yellow color. Let's repeat again. Green. Green color. Purple. Purple color. Orange. Orange color. Orange color. Blue. Blue color. Pink. Pink color. Yellow. Yellow color. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.